Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken this week, week ending February 24th. So let's get started here. This is the week started on the 21st February, right? This is the first trade, pound CAD, buy order here, SL move to break even plus 120 pip to the long side. And here pound yen again, or you can see my entries on the left hand side here with the yellow mark and SL move to break even plus. Every single trade is taken by the setup. Nothing is random. Everything is by the setup. I must have 4 conditions for the setup, and once the setup is ready, my alarm beeps, and when I have the beep, then I open the trade. Okay, so this one is pound yen, 150 pip. This pound Nuzi, beautiful entry. This was an entry, then it went up, knocked me out, and then again the entry for 90 pip. That's what happened when you have a news. So on the 21st, pound Aussie, again, see this news, big time, up and down and up and down. But this one, I missed the move from my 20-minute chart. So I immediately, on the other computer, I have 7-minute also open, right? So I saw this one and I says, let me just get in from the 7-minute because that thing is going to go up. Pound was getting strong on the back of the news. So that's what happened. So all pound pair, you see 4 of those, right? And then oil, US oil here, entry from here, from 76.46 to 74.18. Nice downside. Even though I was expecting that the oil is going to go up, but Canadian dollar got weaker and then oil, came down. On the 22nd, also Euro Aussie, short entry here for 80 pip. I have a very bad cold and sore throat, so please, my sound is like weird a little bit, huh? Okay, so on the 23rd, pound yen, 90 pip to the downside, sell order here, beautiful straight to the downside, right? On the 23rd, again, pound USD as well. I posted the chart on my Telegram saying that all pound are gonna go down because pound probably gonna get weaker. So these are a couple of them, and then there are a couple more down the road. You can see here again on the 24th, pound USD. The first one was from here to here. The second one from here to here, all the way to 85 pip now. On the 24th, I have USD-CAD. After the news, my entry was from the 21st, but it did move. So I said, well, the hell with it. I'm sitting on a break even, so might as well just hold on to it and see what happens. So today it went up because of the USD news, and USD got strong big time. I'm going to make the USD video after this. So please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you can get my videos fast, and click on the bell icon as well. So you will be notified for my new videos as soon as I upload them, right? And the USD index is very good right now. Yen index, USD index, gonna give a lot of trades. So you don't want to miss that, right? So this is, and the last but not the least here is the gold. Gold trade hit my target to the downside target. It didn't hit quite like I had the target for 1802. We closed today 1810 from all the way from the top. So anyway, maybe next week it will drop a little bit more and then go up, right? So I just made a little while. I made a video about the gold. So just go take a look. You will see what's happening there, right? So these are the trades, and this is what happened so far. So like I said, that go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you get my videos quickly, and you will be ready for the next trades. And also, if you want to learn how to do all of that, just go ahead and sign up for one-on-one, or just subscribe monthly so you can attend my webinars and get these charts. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful weekend.